Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe. As you can see, I'm actually lacking subscribers, so please subscribe and support this channel. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the RAM on your Chromebook. As you may know, Chromebooks actually come with lesser RAM than other types of machines, so I'm going to show you how to increase your RAM. And this technique isn't actually going to increase the amount of physical RAM on your Chromebook. It is actually virtual RAM. So first off, go into your Chrome shell by pressing Ctrl Alt and T. Okay, so in your Chrome shell you just type swap. So this is actually the program that enables you to use virtual RAM. So this actually takes some amount of space from your storage, your local storage, and uses it when you need it. So right now I'm using about 4,000 megabytes of swap, so that's 4 gigs. So to enable it, you just have to type swap enable, then the amount. So I have 4,000. So this is swap enable 4,000. This is 4 gigabytes of swap RAM. So when you press enter, it happens. So to actually see it live, you have to restart your Chromebook before it actually takes effect. And to disable it, you just do disable swap, and this actually disables the swap. But I'm not gonna actually disable my swap, so I just delete this. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and like this video.